the last 5 weeks of 2021, and we had agreed earlier that we will take 5 exercises, full body workouts, and then also pick 5 books from the many books of the Bible that I've read this year, and basically pick some lessons from those books of the Bible. So this is week number 4. We have one more to go, and I just also thought I should show you another full body workout using dumbbells, a workout that would attack almost every muscle group of your body. The book of James, obviously written by James. Now, what you might not know is that James was the brother of Jesus. And I've always been fascinated by that idea of just growing up with Jesus as my older sibling, the perfect brother. But that's besides the point. So the family of Jesus did not necessarily believe in his ministry until he died and resurrected. And that also just goes to show you the power of resurrection. So after his resurrection, James really believed in Jesus to a point that he became one of the leaders in the early church in Jerusalem. James is a very unique character because he's very practical. In fact, even when he starts the book of James, he does not go into the details of letting us know that Jesus was his brother. And by the way, for most of us, if we had that opportunity, would have definitely, wanted the audience to know that Jesus was our brother. But that's besides the point. The book is very commanding. He's not looking for your suggestions. He's not looking for your opinions. It's a very practical book. It's not doctrine, it's practical. It's not the talk, it's the walk. It's not the declarations, it's the demonstrations. As one theologian would put it, he would say that the church is a workshop for adults. It's not a playpen, for children. And so in James chapter 2, verse 26, Bible says that faith without works is dead. And so the book is about spiritual maturity. And James will tell us that spiritual maturity is about perseverance. Maturity is about love. Maturity is about humility. Maturity is about speech and many other things that, James will talk about, in terms of spiritual maturity. But the conclusion is very simple, that every Christian is supposed to grow spiritually, and that spiritual maturity is a process, and that all of us, are supposed to get. Just because you're growing old does not mean that you are growing mature, and especially in the things of God. But finally, is that spiritual maturity depends on you. The more you desire for God, the more you mature.